We're going to the big box store to buy some potting soil and some compost manure. The wind's so bad it blew over our recyclables bin over there. We had to go out and pick it all up and put it back in it. Teresa's over across the street behind the car there. She's over there picking up the neighbors for them, putting their trash cans back up. It's great to be a good neighbor to your neighbors. There again, the wind's so bad it blew our neighbor's trash can out in the middle of the street. Teresa's putting it over. Bad wind, isn't it?
Yes. That'll knock you down.
Text message.
Well, first we're going to go get some lunch somewhere. Well, instead of going out and buying some potting soil, we went, had a little lunch, filled up the vehicle at local discount store, let's just say.
Which we bought gas from
Many times. But all of a sudden, after I started the truck back, it ran rough. Like we got gas, water in the gas. We're not sure though. Wouldn't even run. Got it over to a parking spot. Had to call a wrecker and get it taken into the dealership to get looked at. So Teresa went and called. We called sister-in-law. She came and picked us up. Teresa went home, got the car, called me, said she had to turn around and go back. Said she had a low tire pressure warning. Went back, aired up the tire, got out here, and I looked at the tire and it had a nail in it.
Oh, a bolt in it.
And so we just, they sell tires here, so you can probably guess that it's Wally World. And so we just ran over to the back of the store and asked them if they could fix the tire, and got to looking at the tires, and the tires were all worn out, so we ended up having to put 4 new tires on. So we've spent the day working on vehicle issues.
And
that's okay.
Still don't know what's going on with the truck. It's in the shop.
No,
so.
it's down at the shop, but it'll be all right because I trust the service manager down there.
But we did not plan this for today by any means.
You know, you have the good and the bad, and this isn't bad.
No.
These are just issues.
I'm very thankful that God just took care of us. We were not out on a highway when this happened.
Yeah.
Either one of them, the truck or the car.
Well, yesterday we went up to the cabin and back and had Mom with us, and can imagine what it'd been like if it would have happened yesterday.
Yeah. That would have been bad.
You know, it was a blessing that whatever happened here in their parking lot, and everything will be fine. So, hey, thank you for taking the time out of your life to watch our channel, to visit us. We appreciate you. Hope you had a better day than we did. God bless you and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.